How you doing? Heard a little something. You want to be a YouTuber, do you? You want to be an influencer. You want to be a content creator. Is that so? You want to let people know about your hobbies, certain skills. You might want to just make informational videos or videos of you just out having fun. But unless you're monetized, it's all for nothing. So you want to know how to get 1,000 subscribers and how to get monetized so those videos can make you money. Check this out. Got an easy and right answer for you to make that happen. Wouldn't it be nice just to be able to collect a check every month off of something that you're doing for free or for fun? Would it be nice to get paid and have your lifestyle taken care of from the money that you make from these videos of you being a YouTuber? Well, this is how you do it. And the easiest way to do all that, there is no easy way. Sorry to bust your little bubble. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
So, well, you might go to some people's videos and they have thousands upon thousands of viewers and things like that. And you know they're making money. You see their lifestyle. How did they get those subscribers? How did they get those viewers? How and when did they get monetized? How long did it take them? Well, I'll tell you this. In my opinion, it's hard. It's really hard. There is no easy way around it. Whether you have some type of movement on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, there's so many different social media platforms that you can be a part of to help your monetization and your subscribers for YouTube. But the reason why there is no easy way to do it is because everybody is back outside. Ever since C19, you know what I'm talking about? In terms of everybody's back outside, nobody's just stuck at home. The whole world was just stuck at home with nothing to do but just watch videos, be entertained somehow. And that was the golden era when so many YouTubers got monetized. So many YouTubers got subscribers and they started making money. If we see it now, not only are so many YouTube channels out there that you, in whatever genre you're in, might have to compete with, but these people are so far ahead because you started late. Now don't be discouraged. The fact that you started is good, but because you started late, you have to play catch up. And there's a couple things going against you that you might need to find out, and you will from posting your videos. Just because something's important to you, just because something is interesting to you, that doesn't guarantee it's gonna be interesting to everybody else. Now, you can make it solely for your passion and for your love of whatever it is that you're doing. And hopefully it'll gain some traction and people will get wind of you and it'll help out and it'll pay off. But understand this, you are going against so many YouTubers out there and people making videos because they have this dream, they have this vision that it's easy. They're gonna make money. They're gonna have this extravagant lifestyle and everything's gonna be good and taken care of. Until they started. And they find out that that's not really what it's all made out to be. You're gonna have to figure out how to make your videos, how to make them interesting, what type of cameras to buy, who's gonna edit them. If you edit them, you're not gonna be able to put out videos every single day like you see some of these other people doing, either because they're already tech savvy or they have a team of people backing them so they can just keep feeding the beast, keep feeding the consumers the content that they want to see. A lot of people have a small attention span. If you make a video every couple of weeks or every month, you're gonna lose people. But if you keep them entertained, you keep pulling out these or putting out these videos, you're gonna stay in the algorithm. But what I was saying with the other social media platforms, if you have some type of movement in those, it can always help you. If you want to make YouTube shorts, it can always help. If you want to maybe do something crazy and extravagant and hopefully go viral, most definitely, that can also help you out. But with 1,000 subscribers, let's say you get 1,000 subscribers, you need 4,000 watchable hours. Not 4,000 hours of videos added up that you put on YouTube, 4,000 hours that have been watched on YouTube. So you have to do 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watchable hours to get monetized. here's a little trick behind that. Let's say you've been making videos for about a year and a half, 2 years. Maybe you've been chipping away at it for the past couple years. You know, you weren't one of those chosen few that got monetized within the first couple videos that you made because you just blew up. Little trick. What happens is, if you was to make 50 videos in a year, and let's say you're almost at 4,000 watchable hours. Let's say you're at 3,900 watchable hours. You're just 100 hours away. What happens is, every year thereafter, from the time period that you made that first video, is gonna not delete, the video's still gonna be there, but those hours and subscribers are going to start to subtract. So let's say I made a video on September 1st, 2023, and I got all kind of hours, but I'm not yet monetized. So let's say September 1st, 2024, if I had 50 hours, 50 watchable hours from that first video, 1 year passed, still not yet monetized, September 1st of 2024, now those 50 hours get erased from your overall gain of watchable hours. So you're working against the clock. Tick, tick, tick. You got to kick them out. That's what kind of sucks. But once you get monetized, all those hours stay with you. All those hours continue on. Like I said, it's not easy. There is no easy way to get monetized. There is no easy way to get 1,000 subscribers. There is no easy way to make money. That's just what it is. Regardless of what it looks like, I'm sorry to break the truth to you. Now, there's a lot of other videos out there that say, look, all you have to do is this. All you have to do is this. You know what? You're doing this wrong. Here's a solution. Do this. Most of those people have already been monetized, so their job is done. But at the same time, how long were they making those videos for? A couple weeks, months, years? That matters. Because if you want to mirror their image and do as they did, take note of how long they were working at it. And then, outside of how long they were making videos for, what type of videos are they making? Not the genre, but is it clear? Do they zoom in, zoom out? Is it something that you yourself can continue watching because it's interesting? The editing, the cutting, you know what I mean? There's so much to it. All I can say is this: whatever it is that you are doing, whatever it is that you are interested in, keep going forward, because nothing can replace the amount of content that you make. Now, you might think about it as food. You might want one nice gourmet food, a meal. This meal right here is worth $500 and it's so good, you're gonna enjoy it. But that's it. That's one meal that's done and gone. Or would you like a buffet? You know what I mean? Have a little bit of this, have a little bit of that, a little bit everywhere, this and that. That's what the videos are. Treat your videos as a buffet for the consumers. Give them a little bit of everything. Give them a piece of your life. Give them a piece of a day in a life, how to do, how to fix, or whatever your genre is, but don't let it be specific to just one thing. I'm not telling you to make a video about how to make elevators and another video about how to blow up balloons. What I mean is, whatever content you choose to make your video about, don't do it just surface level. Go in depth, make it interesting. Make it something that you yourself will love to watch, instead of you just being in front of the camera. Put out as much content as you can and tough it through. And literally, if you want to use other social media platforms, that can help. If you want to collaborate with other individuals, if you have that type of leeway and connection to people, use that. YouTube is not a one-trick pony. It's not one of those type of things to where you can just put something out there because it means something to you that is going to gain traction. It's going to take work. And once you get monetized, you have everybody's eyes on you. You got to keep it coming. You got to make sure you don't get burnt out, and make sure you don't get discouraged. I'm not one of those type of people that's going to lie to you or steer you in the wrong direction. I'm going to speak the truth. Everybody's situation is different. Some people, you know, they reach their goals a lot faster than others. And some people, they try and they fail and they quit. I will never suggest that, you know, unless that's your choice. Like I said, the easiest way to get 1,000 subscribers and to get monetized so you can start making money, There is no easy way. Sorry. Just keep trying, keep pushing. And truthfully, like I said, I'm not trying to discourage anybody from making videos. I just want you guys to know the truth of what you're about to get into before you get into it so you can expect it. So it's not a surprise. All right? Big Daniel, Import Life Media. If you have any comments, I answer any and every single comment, good or bad. And if you have any advice or suggestions, leave in the comment section, not only for me to read, but for other people to read. That comment might possibly help out. Or if you think I said something wrong, go ahead and let me know. And if you haven't done so yet, also follow me on Import Life Media on Instagram. All right? As always, stay blessed. I'll talk to you guys again. Peace.